What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. That's right, guys. In today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to talk about that CCIV and the craziness that's going on with that. And we're going to review the whole Robinhood portfolio and give updates on what I've been buying, what I've been selling, what is going on with the portfolio. The portfolio is on the road to 10K, baby. That's right. And CCIV surely got me there pretty close, and we're almost there. So, guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. And guys, don't forget right there, Webull, first link down in the description. Download that link, deposit $100, get yourself some free stocks, and help the portfolio grow. Join me on this journey, guys. So hope you all are ready. Let's get to it, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are on the portfolio, and holy smokes, we're above $8,300. Look at the portfolio growth here today alone, guys. We are up about 8% today, give or take a few percentage points there. But we are up almost $580 some dollars. Holy smokes, man, we are up there. Today was a wild ride, and mostly a lot of that gains came from CCIV, Genius Brands, and XpresSpa. Yes, you heard me, XpresSpa. To all my haters out there, XpresSpa is taking off like I said, man. It is crazy. So real quick, CCIV. If you guys know, I have a total of 40 shares just lingering here. And unfortunately, I'm kicking myself because I missed the dip. Where was I at? I could not get to the dip. And by the time I got back to it, it was already gone. Like, man, I would have been buying up. I have $800 and some dollars, almost $900 in buying power. I would have been buying it. So congratulations to anyone that bought this dip, that got either shares or got options, man. Huge props to you guys. Let's go in here and take a look at what I did with that options contract that I had. All right, guys, and here we are. Look at this contract. I bought this on January 21st, a February 19th, $20 call. I paid $225. I was buying this when people was scared of it. I said, I'm taking the gamble. I'll risk $225. Let's fast forward here 4 days later. Oh my boy, did we strike it big on this one, guys? I had so much profit in this, and it's an options contract, and I didn't know what was going to happen. And I only had the one contract, so I sold it and locked up $545 in huge profits. Now, I know there's a chance this can run. Like I said, I sold this for $770, man. Making over $545 in 4 days. Actually, it might have been only like 2 days because the weekend don't really count. So I was very tickled at that, guys. And that's what I wanted to show you, that I'm not greedy. I understand I might have left a little bit of money on the table, but if I could have caught that dip at the 18s, I would have bought another one, man. So just wanted to update you on that. Let's go take a look at the rest of the portfolio. All right, guys, and let's just get right to it, baby. Genius Brands. It is finally starting to take off as it should. So I'm really hoping this baby holds up. You guys know I'm still holding on to every single share I have. I have 1,000 shares in this bad boy, and I have an options contract. We closed out at $1.83. Genius Brands is up like 16% today, which is huge. So currently right now I am up 10% in that investment, up $175. And Genius Brands makes up about 25% of my portfolio. I do have a long call options. It expires January 21st of 2022. And the total return on that, I'm up $47. I'm up 65%. I have no interest in selling that yet. I think this is going to get up to $3, possibly $4 or $5 this year. So that is my position on Genius Brands. For me, I'm just hanging on to what I got and letting this bad boy go. I think 2021 is going to be the year of Genius Brands. So I told y'all, man, we're going to be a day back at $2. Now, I'm hoping that doesn't pull back to $1.40, $1.50. I hope we kind of steady out here in the 180s, 170s, and our next push up to $2. So let's get into about the next stock I got in the portfolio. All right, guys, and here we are. That's right. I got Apex Technology in the portfolio as well. Currently setting at $15.50. I have 80 shares at average cost of $14.15. I'm currently up 9.5% in that investment, up $107. And with my buying power at almost $900, I just need to go in here and pick up these last 20 shares, That way I have my 100 shares. That is the goal for this stock for me, is get 100 shares of it, guys, and let it set. That way when we get the merger here, possibly in February or March, we can start doing those covered calls and start getting some premiums for it, and that's going to be pretty good. So I think I may see what happens in the price. I only got to grab 20 more shares. So like I said, if I can get back down into the low 15s, that'd be great. I don't want to bring my average cost up too high. I was down to 13s, and I missed out on getting the average cost below 14. So if I can keep it in the 14s on 100 shares, I think I'm good to go. Ride this up close to $30. So guys, let's get in and talk about that next stock we're going to be getting on. All right, guys, and this is one of those penny plays I did a video on, and a lot of you laughed at me. But who's laughing now? That's right, ticker symbol XXPA. And I told you guys, Express Spa has turned around their business. I said, man, this is one that is going to be a recovery play. And here we are today, sitting at $2.09. I recommended this down to $1.30. So congratulations to anyone else that bought this. I went in and just bought 100 shares at $1.38 a piece. And I said, you know what? If it flops, I'm only out $100. That's how I play these penny stocks, guys. I throw like $100 to $200 in them. And if they fail, they fail. But most of these penny stocks always do me good. They always make me money. I don't think I really ever lose on these penny plays. So, sitting here at $2.09. So, I went in here, guys. You can see currently I'm up 51%, almost 52% in that investment. I'm up $71. And this is how you grow your portfolio. For all my people that's under $10,000, you take $100, $200, and you make $100 on that. And then you try to lock in some profits. And what did I do? I went in here and sold a covered call. That's right. We're going to do the wheel strategy. Now, I may be forced to sell these shares because there's a possibility this bad boy could keep going up in price. So what did I do? I put 100 shares of Express Spa as collateral down, guys, on a February 19th $2 call. So it says here I got $38. Technically, Robinhood rounded it down to $35. So $35 went into my account as collateral, so I get to keep that $35 no matter what happens with this stock. But I am forced to sell 100 shares of Express Spa for $2 to the other person on the end of this contract. So either way, I'm selling these for like $238, and I paid $138. So that's a nice profit. That is a $100 profit on a nice little investment. And as I keep growing the portfolio, guys, instead of putting $100 and $200 in it, I can start throwing maybe $300, $400, and $500 into these penny plays that I know. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting out with $100, $150, $200, and then now I'm going to work my way up to $300 and $400 in these penny plays. So that is what we're doing. And I'm super excited about this. I'm going to win on this no matter what. If it runs up, it runs up. I still made a huge profit on it. So guys, let's get in here and talk about the next play. All right, guys, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Anyone that is a viewer on the channel knows I have 110 shares of Gold Nugget at an average cost of $13.14. I'm up 55% in that investment, up $798. It roughly is 30% of my Robinhood portfolio. I just plan on holding this, guys. I'm not doing anything with it. This is a long-term hold for me, and I'm going to see how this bad boy plays out. So let's get in and talk about the last stock on the account. And then we're going to get into talking about a little bit more about Cciv. All right, guys, and this here is one that I hope you would all consider possibly picking up in your portfolio. That's right. Ticker symbol STIC. I covered this before. Northern Star. They are merging with BarkBox. They are kind of similar to Chewy. They have a monthly subscription plan for your pets, your dogs, your cats, and you get a monthly box of goodies. Guys, this is one that I never would have thought I'd get a chance to buy back under 14. So this thing at one point, if we go here to the 1 month chart, this thing was up over $17 at one point, guys. This thing first came out, it was up almost $19. So this is like a Chewy kind of play to me, man. This is one I can see running up after the merger. I currently right now have 60 shares at an average cost of $14.42. I am down $29. I'm down 3.36% on this investment. That doesn't bother me at all, guys. I plan on getting 100 shares of BarkBox, and I plan on holding this out through the merger. If we get a big pop in price, I may sell a covered call on it. This is one I want to keep running the wheel strategy on as well. So Northern Star, Golden Nugget, APXT, these are ones that I want to get those 100 shares of, and of course I'm going to try to build out CCIV. So guys, let's get in and talk about CCIV. All right, guys, you saw earlier where I sold that options contract for $545 in gains in like 2 trading days. But I definitely held on to my shares. I got all that buying power. I will buy more. It's just a matter of I was waiting for a dip, and I missed the freaking dip. I still have my 40 shares at an average cost of $18.03. Guys, I'm up 38% on that investment. I'm up $276. And I just like, oh, where was I at? Missing this beautiful dip. I would have been buying options like crazy around here. Would have bought 1 or 2, would have bought some shares, and now it's just hovering like $25. So there is an article here, guys, right here. This is kind of what caused a little bit of it. The rumors of Lucid Motors SPACs and merger delay has a pullback. This article came out right after that happened. So this guy must have literally wrote it real quick. And this here is basically saying how the merger and everything, and this thing has been going nuts. And look at this here, Investor Place. Look how many people has did articles on CCIV in this last like week. Have we ever seen a place cover a certain stock that much? The hype is for real on Lucid Motors, guys, and it is unbelievable. Now, if I get lucky and have any dip, I'm buying another options contract, and I'm going to buy some shares. I got $900 ready to roll. So I know I have at least over $500 and some of house money to play with. And I'm going to use it to buy the next dip. That's right. That's what the channel is about. Buy that dip, and I'm hoping CCIV gets the dip so I can get some shares and get an option. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And guys, I want to throw this out there. Are you guys interested in a possible private Patreon group? I've had people message me and say, Terry, I want your buy and sell alerts. What are you doing? So that'd be something I could consider doing. Maybe like a $5 or something monthly subscription plan. And I have a couple buddies that might help me out with some stock picks. And we got a nice group of people that could be a part of it. And we all can make money together, guys. I have great penny stock videos as well. I'm going to put one out. So guys, get ready for those. Have the bell notification on. Do not miss out. People was thanking me, Terry. Thank you so much for SNPW. I doubled my money today. So guys, that is truly amazing. I'm happy for everyone that doubled their money. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go. For anyone that stuck this long, that's right. I'm not lying. I'm going to show you the chart right now. I got y'all. I hope you all stayed. But guys, here it is, the one-day chart. As you see, we're up like $580 some. We go to the 1 week. We are up over $1,072 in 1 week. Woo-wee! Up basically 15%. On the 1 month, we are up $382. On the 3 month, we are up $3,378. Oh my God, that's looking beautiful. Up 68%. If we go to the 1 year, we are up $3,467.49, guys. We are up 71%. And I just wanted to get in here and show you that. I put it at the end of the video. So my true fans of the Buy the Dip Nation, man, are there and supporting it. So guys, I love and appreciate you. Peace.